Good afternoon. Welcome to Clover Fashion. How can I help you today?
Hello, I would like to return this blue dress I bought on Saturday.
Of course. Is there a specific reason why you want to return it?
Yes, I tried it on at home and it is much too large for me.
I see. Do you have the original receipt and the price tags?
I have the receipt right here and the tags are still attached to the dress.
Great. Everything looks perfect. Would you like to exchange it for a smaller size?
I looked on the clothing rack, but I did not see any small sizes left.
Let me check our computer system to see if we have one in the back.
Thank you. I really love the color, so a smaller size would be wonderful.
I'm sorry, Chloe. It looks like the small size is sold out in all our stores.
That is a shame. In that case, I would just like a refund, please.
No problem at all. Since you have your receipt, I can put the money back on your card.
Thank you. How long will it take for the money to show in my account?
It usually takes 3 to 5 business days. Can you please sign here?
Yes, certainly. I appreciate your help with this return.
You are very welcome. Have a nice day. Hello again. How can I help you this afternoon?
Hi, I bought these sneakers yesterday, but I need to exchange them.
Are they uncomfortable, or is there a problem with the quality?
They are very comfortable, but they are a little too big.
I see. What size did you buy originally?
I bought a size 9, but my heel keeps slipping out when I walk.
That definitely sounds too large. Would you like to try a size 8?
Yes, please. I think a full size smaller would be much better.
Let me go to the stockroom and find that for you.
Thank you. I hope you have them because I really like the style.
You are in luck. I found the last pair of size 8s in the back.
That is wonderful news. May I try them on here to be sure?
Of course. Take your time and walk around the carpeted area.
These feel much more secure. My toes have room, but the shoes stay on.
That is exactly how they should fit. Shall we complete the exchange?
Yes, let's do that. Do I need to pay anything extra?
No, since it is the same model, it is an even exchange.
Perfect. Thank you for making this so easy for me.
It was my pleasure. Enjoy your new shoes, Chloe. Hello. How can I help you today?
Hi, I bought this leather handbag last week, but I have a problem.
I am sorry to hear that. What is wrong with the bag?
The zipper on the main compartment is broken. It gets stuck every time I try to close it.
Let me take a look at it. Oh, I see the problem. The metal teeth are not lining up correctly.
Yes, exactly. I only used it once and it already stopped working.
That should not happen with our products. Did you bring your receipt with you?
Yes, I have it right here in my wallet.
Perfect. Since the item is damaged and you bought it recently, we can offer you a brand new replacement.
That would be great. I really like the style, and I want the same one.
Let me check the shelf. We have one more black handbag just like this one in stock.
Can we check the zipper on the new one before I leave?
That is a very good idea. Let's pull it up and down a few times.
This one moves very smoothly. It feels much better than the first one.
I agree. I will process this as a defective return and give you the new bag now.
Thank you for being so helpful, Mark.
You are welcome. I hope this one lasts a very long time. Good morning. How can I assist you today?
Hi, Mark. I am here because there was a mistake with my online order.
I am sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I ordered a dark green dress for a wedding, but the store sent me a bright red one instead.
That is definitely a mistake. Do you have your order confirmation number?
Yes, it is on this email on my phone. The packing slip is also inside the bag.
Let me check the system. I see the order here. You definitely selected forest green.
Exactly. The red is very pretty, but it does not match my shoes or the wedding theme.
I completely understand. I will check our inventory to see if we have the green one in your size.
I hope so. I really need it by Friday.
Luckily, we have 3 in stock right now. I'll go get the correct color for you.
Thank you so much. I was worried I would have to choose a different dress.
Here is the forest green dress. Does this look like the color you wanted?
Yes, that is perfect. It's exactly what I saw on the website.
I will update the system to show that the red dress was returned and the green one was taken.
Do I need to pay any shipping fees because of the mistake?
No, since it was our error, there is no extra charge at all.
That is great. Thank you for fixing this so quickly, Mark.
Good afternoon. Are you finding everything you need today?
Hello again, Mark. Actually, I need to return these leather loafers I bought yesterday.
Oh, I am sorry. Is there a problem with the style?
No, I love the style, but they are far too tight around the toes.
That is a common issue with leather. Did you try wearing them with thick socks?
I did, but they still feel very narrow. My feet started to ache after only 10 minutes.
We definitely want you to be comfortable. Do you think you need a larger size?
I'm not sure. The length feels correct, but the width is the problem.
We actually have a wide fit version of that same loafer. Would you like to try it?
I didn't know that was an option. Yes, I would love to try the wide version in my usual size.
Here you go. Try these on and see if you can wiggle your toes.
These feel much better. There is no pressure on the sides of my feet at all.
Leather also stretches over time, but it should never be painful when you first buy it.
I agree. I will definitely take the wide fit instead.
Perfect. I will process the exchange for you now.
Thank you for the suggestion, Mark. My feet are much happier now.
You are very welcome. Have a wonderful and comfortable walk home. Hello. Is there something I can help you with today?
Hi, Mark. I bought this jacket yesterday, but I have decided to return it.
I see. Is there anything wrong with the jacket, or did you just change your mind?
I just changed my mind. It looked different in the store lighting than it does at home.
That happens sometimes. Do you have the receipt and the original packaging?
Yes, I have the receipt, and the jacket is still in the shopping bag with the tags on.
Perfect. Since it has been less than 30 days, you are eligible for a full refund.
That is great news. Can the refund go back to my credit card?
Yes, please insert your card into the machine so I can process the transaction.
There you go. Will I receive a confirmation of the refund?
I will print a return receipt for you right now. It shows the amount being sent back.
Thank you. How long does it usually take to see the money in my bank account?
It typically takes 3 to 5 business days depending on your bank.
Okay, I will keep an eye on my statement.
Here is your return receipt. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that is all. Thank you for your help, Mark.
You are very welcome. Have a pleasant afternoon. Hello. How can I help?
I have a small problem.
What is the issue, Chloe?
I want to return this bag.
Do you have the receipt?
No, I lost the paper.
Did you pay with a card?
Yes, I used my credit card.
I can check the computer.
Thank you for checking it.
I found your purchase here.
Can I have a refund?
I can give you store credit.
Is that like a gift card?
Yes, it does not expire.
That is fine with me.
I will print the voucher.
You are very helpful, Mark.
I am happy to help.
Have a very nice day.
Good morning. Are you here to pick up an order?
Hello. Actually, I need to return this sweater I ordered online.
We can definitely handle that here. Do you have the order number?
Yes, it is in the confirmation email on my phone.
Perfect. I also see the return QR code in your app.
Oh, should I show you that instead of the email?
Yes, please. I can scan the code to see all the details.
Here it is. Is there a problem because I opened the bag?
Not at all, as long as the tags are still on the sweater.
They are. I only tried it on once, but the color is wrong.
I see. The website showed it as navy, but this is light blue.
Exactly. It doesn't match the photos online very well.
I am sorry about that. Screens can sometimes change how colors look.
That makes sense. Will the refund go back to my PayPal?
Yes, it returns to the original payment method you used online.
How long does the digital refund take to process?
You will get an email today, and the money arrives in 2 days.
That is very fast. Thank you for making it so simple.
You are welcome. Would you like a printed return confirmation?
Yes, please, just in case I need it later.
Here you go. Have a wonderful day, Chloe. Hello. How can I help you with that box today?
Hi, Mark. I received this scarf as a gift, but I already have a similar one.
I understand. Since it was a gift, do you have a gift receipt?
Yes, the person who gave it to me put the gift receipt inside the box.
That is perfect. Since you did not buy it yourself, I cannot give you cash.
Oh, I see. What are my other options for the return?
I can give you store credit on a plastic gift card.
Does the gift card work like money in this store?
Exactly. You can use it today, or you can save it for another time.
That sounds great. Does the credit on the card ever expire?
No, our store credit lasts forever. You can use it whenever you like.
Can I use the gift card to buy things on your website too?
Yes, you just enter the code on the back of the card at checkout.
That is very convenient. I think I will save it for the summer sale.
That is a very smart idea. Here is your card with the balance.
Thank you, Mark. I'm happy I can pick something I really need later.
You are welcome. Enjoy your future shopping trip. Hello. Can I help you find a different size today?
Hi, Mark. I bought this red dress yesterday, but I would like to return it.
Let me check the tag. Oh, I see. This was part of our clearance section.
Yes, it was on sale for 70% off. It was a very good price.
It was a great deal, but did you see the sign near the rack?
No, I was in a hurry. Did the sign say something important?
Yes, it said that all clearance items are final sale.
What does final sale mean exactly?
It means that the item cannot be returned or exchanged for any reason.
Oh no, I didn't realize that. Is there any way to get store credit instead?
Usually, the system blocks returns for these items because the price is so low.
I understand. I should have checked the store policy before buying it.
Let me speak with my manager since you bought it less than 24 hours ago.
That would be very kind of you, Mark. Thank you.
I have good news. My manager said we can make an exception this one time.
That is a huge relief. Can I get the money back?
For final sale exceptions, we can only offer an exchange for something else today.
That is perfectly fine. I will go look for a new blouse right now.
Great! Just remember to check the tags for that final sale stamp next time.